Please tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
Tapos na yung pictorial niya. How Baba, put this one. Parang pambabae naman to. Yeah, you should. Ganda rin to, oh. Good afternoon, guys. Dito na yung mga bata. Today is July 2. Ayan na yung t-shirt na dinisign nila. Let me see your sack. What did you write?
Take wet socks off.
I know.
What's this? Austradila?
Australia.
No, that's not the right spelling, love. Let me see. But it's nice. Nice. Did you draw that one? Let me see.
I drew the kangaroo.
Where's the kangaroo? Oh, that one.
I see kangaroos.
Did
That
I?
one's an Amy.
Okay. Where's yours, Kuya? Kuya,
Here. Ah, yeah, right there.
When did they send them?
go backward, please.
I said you're gonna email it.
Backward. Hindi ako nag-vlog, guys. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung pinaint nilang t-shirt. And today is last day of school. 2 weeks holiday na sila, guys.
But Mom, what
What's
does
that?
the other say?
Oh, no. Kuya,
No.
can you explain what your design, Kuya?
What does it say?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Ano ba you don't know? And ayan, nag-ano ako, guys. Nag-upload ng vlog. What's that, yeah?
I only know it's Nado.
Okay. Good afternoon, guys. Hapon na, 2:30 na. Ang bilis ng oras. Today is Sunday, July 3. Di ko sana plano mag-vlog today. Kaso si Jan, kagabi, pagdating niya, kasi galing siya kila Sophie, sabi niya sa akin, dito raw magdi-dinner sila. Sophie and the family. So, sabi ko, okay. So, sabi ko, sige, mag-vlog na lang tayo today. Ang plano ko sana, mag-vlog ako sa, pag malapit na kayo umalis, papuntang Queensland. And speaking of Queensland, guys, alam niyo bang sobrang nag-worry ako kasi lockdown ngayon sa Sydney at sa ibang part ng Queensland. Malapit na kayo umalis. Ilang weeks na lang. Sa 22nd or 24 kami aalis. So, ilang weeks na lang. 3 weeks na lang. Alis na kami. And ngayon, yan yung nangyayari. Etong Queensland na to, last year pa to nakaplano. And, hindi natuloy dahil nga kay COVID. Ngayon na naman, dahil naman kay COVID, sana maging okay na. Magro-road trip kami, guys. Magdadrive kami papuntang Queensland. If ever maging okay yung Queensland, pag yung New South Wales, yung Sydney, hindi pa okay, hindi kami makakapag-drive papunta doon. Gusto naman ni Jan, mag-drive kami. Pero pag halimbawa naging okay yung Queensland and yung Sydney talaga, yung buong New South Wales, lockdown talaga sila. So, pag hindi yun naging okay before and yung Queensland naging okay, kasi yung ibang part lang naman ng Queensland yung lockdown, pag naging okay doon, magpa-fly na lang kami. And ngayon sa Adelaide, stricto din sila. Dapat naka-wear ng mask pag nag-grocery at pag nasa public. Dapat naka-wear ng mask. And nagkakaubusan na naman ng, alam niyo na, toilet paper dito, guys. Dito sa amin, wala namang okay dito sa amin. Pero yung pag-grocery ko nung isang araw, wala. Nagulat ako na wala ng toilet paper. So, iba yung brand ang nakuha ko. Hindi yung binibili ko lagi. Sabi ko, grabe. Sabi ko, ano ba naman to? Kung kailan kayo paalis, sa kaya naman to nangyayari. So, sana maging okay na para matuloy yung ating Queensland, guys. And, si Jan, di ba nabanggit ko sa inyo na dapat pupunta si Jan sa Yamba? Ipagdadrive niya yung friend niya. Hindi na yun natuloy, guys. Nabook na yung ticket ni Jan pabalik. Hindi na yun natuloy. Makakalis si Jan, pwede niyang ihatid yung friend niya. Pero pag bumalik si Jan, kailangan niya mag-quarantine for 2 weeks. Ayaw naman ni Jan na ganun. So, hindi na siya natuloy. And yung family ng friend ni Jan, yung asawa niya nandun, yung friend ni Jan nandun na sa Yamba. Yung family niya, dapat nung Friday, kasi si Jan ang alis niya Monday, tapos yung family ng friend niya, magpa-fly papuntang Yamba sa Friday, itong nakarang Friday, pero hindi na natuloy, guys, kasi lockdown. My goodness, nakakatakot. Kasi, alam mo, yung may mga plano kang bakasyon, kasi ngayon school holiday, matagal na yan, mga nakaplanong mga bakasyon. Tapos ngayon ang nangyayari, diba? Parang nakakatakot. Ngayon sabi ko sana matuloy naman to kasi last year pa to inaabangan ng mga bata. So anyway, change topic na tayo. Magluluto ako ito yung ni Jan na huling shark. And meron ako ditong boneless na chicken thigh. And si Jan kagabi nakalimutan niya ilabas yung lobster. So, dito siya nakapwesto para ma-defrost ng mabilis. Ayan. Kasi malapit siya sa fire. And yung mga bata nandito sa kwarto ni Holly. What? What's that?
We didn't.
Who did that? Hala kayo kay Daddy, wipe it. See? Tingnan nyo guys yung ginawa.
We did.
No, get something. Yung carpet.
It happened just then. Just then.
Why you put it here?
I didn't. Yes, we did.
Why put it in the bin? Wait lang guys. Punasan ko lang to. What?
Zach fell and he jumped on the
And guys, andito pa yung aking Asus na. Hindi ko pa ito nabubuksan, guys. Ay, nabuksan ko na kasi kumuha na ako ng dito mga nasuot ko before nung nag-holiday. Nagpunta ng Landmark. Dito pa rin sila. And ito yung nabili ko sa seed na jacket. Dito ko lang muna sila nilagay kasi gagamitin natin yan ngayong winter. Ito pang salarin ng
jumped on the ball.
eto dito sa carpet. Hala ka sa kay Daddy. Not this one. Get me. Kuha lang ako ng pang-spray dito, guys.
Can I do it, Mom? Because
No, I'll do it. I know, it's your fault. It's your
Can I
fault.
do this one?
No, I'll do it. Ito yung gagamitin natin. Ito pang carpet talaga to. Ito yung, yung varnish at saka fine oak clean. Ito sa pangkusina ko to.
I'll spray it.
Diba? Okay, spray it, Beba.
What? Wait,
Wait lang, guys.
why it's not coming out?
Don't. That's it, Zach. That's it.
Why it's not coming out?
Just like that.
I'll have one. Why it's not coming out?
Wait, I'll wipe it first. So, linisin ko muna to, guys. Diba? Ayan.
Why it's not coming out?
Kinuskus ko na siya ng kinuskus, pero walang kulay yung ating, ito yung wet, tissue.
Is it on? Mom,
I'll do it.
you can spray it.
Yeah, wait. I'm just gonna wipe it first. Diba? Okay, that's it. Okay, excuse me. Wait, don't touch it. Just leave it for a while. Ibabad muna natin siya. Don't wipe it yet, Zach. Okay, hayaan ko muna siya. Mamaya na lang siya punasan. Okay, put this in the bin, please. Thank you. So, ibabad ko lang muna yun.
I spotted your roll up.
What roll up?
I spotted it.
Naspatan niya yung roll up. So, ang gagawin ko na ay, hiwain ko na tong chicken. Matigas pa ata. Tigas lang ako ng kamay. Wait lang guys. Dito na si Jan, guys. Ayan. Pinugutan niya na ng ulo yung ating lobster. Matigas, it's still frozen, Han.
Yeah, that's why I want to take this out. Let's just take this out. And that's alright. You can start doing that. I'll do that.
Okay.
Put this back at the fire.
So, it's gonna be teamwork tonight?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Ayan, guys. Yung mga bata ando na. Hindi ko pa inaano yung carpet kasi binababad ko pa rin. Babalik niya doon.
Can I try some?
No. Oi, no jumping around that place.
Yes. Oh, can you please fix this, please?
If this goes over, this don't happen. Yeah, come on.
So, asikasuin ko na yung chicken. Kasi anong oras na? Ang bilis ng oras, oh.
Yeah. And I reckon the shop shuts at 5.
Oh,
so I'm hoping the fish shop's open. So we just get our chips from the fish
Yeah,
shop.
mag-order kasi siya ng chips.
Righto.
Honey, can you remove that fish, please? Here? Because,
Yeah, I'm about to do this now.
alright. Pag nandito siya sa kusina, parang ayaw ko siyang katulong. Bless you, Han. Kasi lagi akong tinatawag. Kailangan niya ng nito. Oh, here, Han. Teka, kung gagawa yung chicken, siya naman daw dito sa fish, oh, honey. Ayan, dyan siya. Alisin niya kasi ng skin, tapos hihiwain niya ng ewan ko anong hiwa ang gagawin niya. Not too big, Han, ha? Just cut it like good size. Like bite size? No, not bite size.
Yeah.
Bite size?
Oh, or just...
What?
Yeah, well, I could go that way, or just have cut it half and then have
What? Oh, honey, look, you missed that one.
Miss what one?
That one, still like
Yeah, that's
white meat there.
That's right.
Ako niyan. Skin lang talaga yung matatanggal. Honey, see? You got still plenty. Shh, sinushush niya.
We're not that, like, you know.
What?
There's plenty of shark there. That's not going to make us starve.
Oh my God.
Don't worry about that.
You just don't put on the wood, huh? Here, put it here, hon. Pag siya sa kusina, kailangan ko pa rin siyang, alam mo yun, tingnan kasi minsan, ay nako, alam nyo na ang boys. Ang iba lang, eto, lalo na to. Dami nitong hugasan, tingnan nyo mamaya. Pero nagugas siya kanina. You wash the dishes, right, Han? Kanina, hinugasan niya yung, eto, ano na siya pala, may ginawa na siya. Is this wash, Han? Yeah. Gumawa siya ng...
Right, I've got a clean plate.
Oh, diba? Oh, sabi
Like
ko...
that, in there.
What?
That's what we'll put there. So you just want it half like that, just have a piece like that?
Yes, please. Yeah.
Just set it there.
Yeah. Ganyan lang daw kala. Oh, pinati niya pa.
Nice fish bites.
Alright.
Shark bite.
Ito pala yung ginawa ni Jang kanina nung nag-edit ako, pero hindi pa ako tapos mag-edit. Ito yung cold pasta, yung may tangy sauce. So, siya ang gumawa niyan. What?
Battered and then some just breadcrumbed.
Alright. Okay. Buttered and bread
Some
crumb.
battered and the rest breadcrumbed.
Alright.
So, yeah.
I do it, Han.
Nah, you just keep it simple, darling. I've done everything. You just got to put oil.
What?
Please, all you got to do is egg, breadcrumb and cook it. That's it.
We'll see. Lagyan niya na ng gatas. Why you put milk, Han? Every time we eat shark. What it does?
Just marinate it. Makes it nice, white, fresh.
Yun ang explanation niya, guys. Sa kanya ko yun natutunan. Pag nagluluto siya ng shark, lagi niya linalagyan ng gatas. Okay. So, tapos niya na yung shark. Ayan. Yung lobster naman. So, you're gonna use this again, honey. Pag siya ang naglilinis ng lobster, hinuhugasan niya. Feeling ko nawawala na yung lasa. Why are you washing it, Han?
Washing all that yucky stuff off.
Yun yung ang masarap eh. Naalis niya raw yung mga tai-tai. Yung ano ba, yung kinakain natin na, yung parang...
Can I have a
what?
bit of paper towel on that
See?
plate there, please?
Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Sana ako na lang ang gumawa, no? Here? Here?
Yep.
Patapusin ko muna siya, tapos ako na yung next. Ayan guys, yung pinakita niya sa akin, may puso na naman. Nakita niyo? Thank you.
Look at my presentation.
Look at Daddy's presentation. See the crayfish?
What is it? It's a...
What is it, Baba?
starts with a heart.
Crawfish.
What's that?
What's the shape?
What's the picture?
What's the shape?
Fish.
It's a heart.
Let me see. Let me see,
Is it a
honey.
heart? Huh?
See, let me see. Ayan kasi yung heart. Kita niyo ba yung heart? Ayan.
Oh,
Ah, nasira. Sorry.
Right.
Thank you. So, ako na yung next sa kusina. Thank you. Tapos na siya.
Where your chicken?
Oh, yeah. It's my
It's
turn.
ready, so we can thaw it out.
Yeah, okay. Ano na ako, ikat ko na muna yan, guys. It's my turn.
Done.
Time-lapse ko kayo, guys. Anong oras na? 3:35 na, guys. Ang bilis talaga ng oras. Time-lapse ko kayo. Ano yung... Gamitin ko na lang ang ginamit ko dyan.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights.
Inagaw niya yung ginagrind kong pepper. Pero ang gagawa. Thank you. Ayan, bilis.
Okay, so I'll put pressure into it. So, guys, hey, Shugs, here you go. We've been doing
Yung mga bata, nanonood na sila ng Netflix.
Oh, yeah, what's on? Oh, yeah.
Kaya hindi ko naman to ubusin lahat. Dinamihan ko lang para hindi na ako laging nag-grind. Okay, next.
Holly, can you take mine?
Be nice, okay. Remember when you heat down the bin, you say to him.
Tenderizer.
You say to the bin, please, alright?
Ubusin ko na
You'll
yun.
go in there so you can take it.
Marinig ko lang muna to.
Nah, heard.
And if we're through, I'll go my way. I'd like it if you stay a while.
Huh? Pick a what? The butter. Try it.
Oh, it's alright.
Hindi kasi siya uminom. Ito yung beer. Para sa beer butter. Tapos, ito na pala yung sa chicken. Yan sa mga bata. Ito yung sa mga adults. Beer yung kanila. Si Holly, tsaka si Sak. Are they having a bath, kuya?
Yep.
Okay. How about you?
I'm gonna have one when I get out because I won't fit in there.
Yeah, because you're too big now. Alam niyo, magsaing ako para meron tayong fried rice. Saing muna ako. Alas 4 na. Dito na sila mga 5:30. Tapos ko na rin gawin yung beer butter ni Johnny Boy. So, okay. Alright, okay na to. So, maghuhugas lang ako. Then, magluluto na. Eto, hindi to lahat nilagay. Ayaw naman to inumin ni Jan. So, sige na yan.
Just up in these sheets, the city and fall asleep. I'm just getting started with you. Roll me something sweet.
Nagpipito na pala ako ng chicken ng mga bata. Ayan na siya, oh. And, ayan na yung iba. And, ayan. Crispy chicken thigh without skin. Pero crispy siya, guys. Ito yung una kong niluto. Ito, yung nasa, ayan. So, try natin, ha? Abangan nyo to one day sa Chona's Kitchen. Gagawin ko to sa Chona's Kitchen, guys. So, abangan nyo yun. Ano yan sa aking ano? Okay. Yung full recipe nito, one day sa Chona's Kitchen. So, tapusin ko lang to. And yung next na yung sa mga adults. Sa mga adults. Tanggalin na natin to. Meron pa ako dito. Ayan. Last na yan. Then, mag-move on na tayo sa pagkain ng mga adults. Okay. So, ito. Kinakamay ko lang siya. Ha?
I'll get you that.
Yeah. Tapos ako magluto ng chicken. And si John, sayang ng oil. Sabi ko, pwede ko naman yung lutuan ng ano niya, yung fish. Ayaw niya talaga. Ayaw niyang inuulit yung oil. So, pag chicken, chicken lang. Ako okay lang pag chicken tapos isda. Hindi pwede yung isda tapos chicken. Hindi yun sa akin pwede. Pero kung chicken, then fish, okay lang sa akin. Pero si John, ayaw. Gusto niya fresh yung oil. So, yes, tapos na ako, guys. Yung sa chicken, pero hindi pa ako tapos magluto. Oops, wait. Ito pa pala. Ang dami niya, oh. Dami kong naluto. Rinig nyo yan, guys? Crispy. Very crispy. Lagyan natin to ng parsley. Baka mahilo na kayo, guys. Wait lang. Okay, just put it here. I'm just gonna wipe it with tissue paper. Wait. Huh? What's that, babe?
That's sharp.
Yeah, the shark.
You've got
Here.
your plate set up for your egg and
Try, kuya. Oops.
What is that?
Chicken. Crispy. It's hot, huh? It's hot. I'll get this one. This one is not hot. This one is not hot.
Still didn't get the chicken.
Huh?
I got the crispy bit.
Eat that one. Here.
No, I got.
You got the chicken? Okay. What do you think? That's the one mommy always cooked before, remember? The popcorn chicken? Huh?
I'll cook.
Huh?
I'll cook.
Nalinis na ni Johnny Boy. Okay, next. Yung sa kanya na.
Yeah, I might have one more.
One more? You're gonna be
here,
full,
I'll pick
kuya.
one for you.
Not that hot.
Not the hot one.
There we are. Get in your mouth.
Not
Oh,
that one.
kuya.
Not the
Look,
hot
put
one.
it out. No,
Not
no.
the hot one. So what is
They're
this one,
good.
kuya?
Kids will love that.
Not the whole thing. Thank you.
Okay.
Alright, Mark.
Good.
Okay, lagyan kita ng oil.
What's this?
What?
Check that out.
Yes, hun, please. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna do your lobster first.
You reckon? I reckon.
What do you want?
I can start doing shark.
The shark first? Alright, shark daw muna. Kasi, anong oras na, guys? 5:30 na. Bilis ng oras. Feeling ko hindi na makapag-fried rice. Ito na yung rice. Binuksan ko lang siya para lumamig
You
na.
gonna wash that?
What's that, Han?
This one.
Yes, please. Yeah, yeah. Hatay ng hindi mainit na chicken. Ito, guys. Hindi ito. Mainit pa siya. Yung pinakauna kong naluto. Ayan. Ha?
Another one.
Ha? Yeah.
Good.
One more, and that's it, mate. You won't
Last one.
Thank you.
Balik na si Kuya. Super tasty. Yum. Okay, I need tissue paper again.
Done that.
No, for the... Here, oops. Okay, so ito muna tayo, guys. Where's the... Ito na yung shark niya. Ilalagay natin siya sa beer.
You make flour in this, don't you? What about?
No, this is the
Oh, you've done
burrata.
everything?
Yeah, I've
Oh.
done it. And then crumbs.
You got your plate ready for the
Yes,
shark?
Daddy.
Right, where?
Here. We're just gonna put
You
it.
need to put on something.
Yeah. Alright. Just be careful, honey, because the... Where's
What's
the
this?
wooden spoon, honey?
No, it's all dirty. That's no good.
What? No more.
We'll just leave it there so you can...
Just be careful, huh? Because it's not... What's that? Yeah. What's that?
No more.
No more. Pinagbabawalan siya ni Jan. Pero siya kain siya ng kain. Ayan. Pinagbabawalan si Kuya. Pero siya sa kain ng kain.
There's no noodle down. Oh, look on in there.
Very proud siya sa noodles niya kasi siyang gumawa.
Maybe. Sorry, Robin, what?
Huh?
One out of the fridge, shed just there, mate. Yeah, put one in, stack up. Just in there, from down the bottom.
You know what, Han? I'll try first without the breadcrumbs, okay? Just their butter. Hindi mo kita, guys. Oops.
Drink it.
Ayan.
No, I don't want it.
Okay,
You don't have to put like soak it, baby. Just
No,
put
no,
it-
no. I know what I'm doing, honey.
That's it.
So, okay. Alis dyan. Okay, guys. Si Johnny B kasi nandito. Parang siya yung aking ano. Parang supervisor si Sir. Si Hat? Yep. I think you cut it bite-sized,
So you need flour, or you need egg for that to stick
This
to it.
already have here. This one, you don't need eggs.
Yeah, that's batter and breadcrumb. You only want just breadcrumb. Egg and breadcrumb, that's it, no batter.
So you said you want beer butter.
Yeah, and egg and breadcrumb. And just crumb some. The taste is good though. I'll do the egg for you.
So gusto niya pa yung isa pang ginagawa ko. Tapos etong beer. Ay, si Daddy. Daming request.
Give me a nugget, please.
One each, that's it.
One each, okay? Tingnan niyo na. Holly, careful. Hold, Saki. One each. Kumuha siya ng dalawang malaki. Uy, Papa. What happened to you? What happened to your eyes? Pinaiyak ka ng boys? Hindi ko naman siya narinig na umiyak.
I'll have that drink.
What? Yeah.
Ayan, guys. Ito na yung beer butter. Ay, saan kayo? Ayan. Ligtad ko lang. Why you put it down? You need a big bowl.
Yeah, it's all bad.
Oh, it doesn't actually.
Tapos na yung isa. So, okay na to.
Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do. When you next to me.